Mabuti naman. Ikaw?
Mabuti. Mabuti din po.
Mabuti rin po. Okay. Before we start, we will review first the past. Okay, again.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have a lesson. We will continue the question and answer of introducing yourself. Hopefully, we can fit. Okay. Okay. Kumusta ka?
Mabuti. Mabuti. Ikaw?
Mabuti rin po. Mabuti rin. Wala na akong nararamdaman. Like before, I have cough, but today is okay. Mabuti.
Okay.
Mabuti
Yeah, I was sick as well last week, like whole week.
Here in Palawan, is almost of the people have cough, cold because of the weather. You know, the day is not good. In the morning, it's hot, and in the afternoon, it will rain.
Oh.
Okay. And the bad side is we have another 2 typhoon coming in the Philippines, but not in our place, but not here in Palawan. Other places of the Philippines, because Palawan.
Leyte.
Yes, I think it's Batangas in Batangas. Then I don't know the other because it's about coming. The other 2 already passed away. The typhoon, and then the newscast have said there's still 2 coming, but they don't know where the exact location. Okay, let's start. When you don't know each other, how would you say? Kumusta ka? Ako? Can you?
Okay. Kumusta po? Ako si Faisal. Ikinagagalak, makilala ka.
Kinagagalak kitang makilala.
Kitang makilala.
Okay, pakiulit. Kindly repeat. Pakiulit meaning kindly repeat. Okay.
Ikinagagalak kitang makilala.
Okay. And then I will answer you. Ako rin po ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Okay, the next. When I say paalam, sige, mauna na ako. What will you answer me?
Like hanggang sa muli, paalam?
Yes, you can say paalam din, hanggang sa muli, or sige, ingat. Take care.
Okay.
Let's you will be the one to say and I will be the one to you will be the one to ask me and I will be the one to answer. Okay. Start.
About from the beginning?
Yes. Let's practice.
Like from the beginning, right? Kumusta po? Ako ay Faisal. Ikinagagalak kita.
Ako si.
Ako ay si Faisal. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala.
Okay. Mabuti rin. Ako rin po. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. And then the next.
Isa.
Labing isa.
Labing isa. Labing dalawa. Labing tatlo. Labing apat. Labing lima. Labing anim.
Yes.
Labing pito. Labing walo. Labing siyam. Tatlo po. Dalawa po.
Yes. Okay. How about 30?
30, tatlong po.
Okay. Can you count 30 to 40? Tatlong po, isa.
Tatlo po, isa. Tatlo po, dalawa. Tatlo po, dalawa. Isa, dalawa. Tatlong. Tatlo po, tatlong. Tatlo po, apat. Tatlo po, lima. Tatlo po, anim. Tatlo po, pito. Tatlo po, walo. Tatlo po, siyam. Tatlong po. No?
Apat na po.
Apat na po.
I have a correction. When you say tatlong po, you say like tatlong put. You put T after the put. The po. Tatlong. Because T for end. Meaning,
okay.
Can you repeat tatlong put? Tatlong put, dalawa. Okay, can you repeat?
Tatlong put, dalawa.
Yes. Tatlong put. Continue.
I reach where? 40 or?
No, 30.
30?
40. Again. Yes.
Tatlong put, isa, tatlong put, dalawa, tatlong put, dalawa, tatlong put, tatlo.
Yes.
Tatlong put, apat, tatlong put, lima, tatlong put, anim, tatlong put, pito, tatlong put, walo, tatlong put, siyam, apat na po.
Yes, very good. Magaling. Now, what is 50?
50, limang po.
What 60?
60,
anim.
Sa dalawa, anim po.
Anim is consonant. Anim na?
Anim na po.
Yes. How about 70?
70, pito, pito na.
No, vowel. Pito.
Pito.
Tong po.
Pitong po.
We have a rule. If it is vowel, you put NG. But if it is
Pitong.
consonant, ends in consonant, you put NA. Okay, how about 90?
90, siyam. Siyam na po.
Yes. About 30?
30, tatlong po.
Yes. How about 20?
20, dalawang po.
How about 60?
60,
Ah,
apat
no,
po. Anim na po.
yes. How about 100?
100, daan.
Isang daan.
Isang daan.
Or sangdaan. Isang daan or sangdaan. How about 120? Isang daan, dalawang po.
Isang daan, dalawan po.
120. 130. Same. Isang daan, or you will say sangdaan. You omit the I. Sangdaan, tatlong po. 130. Okay? Can you now follow? Okay. How about 140?
Isang daan, apat po.
Apat na.
Apat na po.
Yes. How about 60? 160.
Isang daan, 60,
60, anim.
anim na po.
How about 200?
Dalawang daan.
Yes. How about 300?
Tatlong daan.
Yes. How about 400?
Pito, daan. Pitong.
Daan. Pitong. How about
daan.
900?
900, siyam na daan.
Yes. Okay, very good. Magaling sa number. I'm happy. Galing. How about 1,000? 1,000.
1,000, isang
Isang.
libo. Isang libo.
How about 2,000?
2,000.
Yes. 4,000.
4,000,
Apat.
Apat na daan.
Libo.
Apat na libo, sorry.
How about 6,000?
6,000, anim na libo.
Yes. How about 9,000?
9,000, siyam na libo.
Okay. When I say 1,200, 1,000 is 1,000, dalawang daan. When I say that is vowel, dalawang daan. So it's NG still. When I say 1,000, apat na daan. Still apat consonant, you will still put NA. Same rule. Okay. Can we practice? 1,300.
How much?
1,300.
1,300. Isang daan, 300, tatlong daan. Tatlong daan.
About 1,000, tatlong daan. You can say 1,000 or 1,000. Same. Okay.
Because I used to it, it's easy for me to try to remember another word. It's kind of difficult, so it's better to stick with isang.
Okay, can be.
Because it's a new language, that's why.
How about 1,400?
1,000, 1,000, pitong.
400. 400.
Sorry, 400. I'm counting from again. Isang dalawa. Yeah, I'm just counting again because I keep forgetting when I go to isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na daan.
Yes, okay. How about 1,700?
1,000, isang libo, 700. Pito.
Yes.
Pito na daan.
Pitong daan. It's a vowel.
Pitong daan.
How about this one? 1,900.
1,000, siyam na daan.
Yes. How about 2,000?
2,000, dalawa libo.
Dalawang libo.
This ang is like plural, right?
It's NG, yes. The connector is NG. If it is vowel, if it is consonant, the connector is NA. Okay.
Because I've read on Duolingo, like NG is like for like plural, more than one. We have to add NG, yeah. Sorry, mga, I think.
Mga is meaning more than one.
Yeah, mga. I was confusing between
mga more than one. NG is connector, just a connector. Okay.
Okay.
For the noun, for the verb. Okay. Next is 3,000.
3,000. Tatlong libo.
Yes. When I say that 3,400.
Tatlong libo. 400. Apat na daan.
Yes, very good. You got the rule. How about 3,700?
Tatlong libo. 700. Pitong daan.
Okay, very good. Okay, we'll stop there because you know already. What we need for that next time is every time we meet, I will practice the numbers because we still
Yeah.
have so many. Okay,
Yeah,
now
exactly.
introducing yourself, the answer, the question and answer. Then I ask you in Tagalog, ano ang pangalan mo?
Ano? Ako ay Faisal. Ikaw?
Yes. Ako si Vivian. Okay, good. How about, ilang taon ka na, Faisal?
Ilang taon ka na?
Yeah. Hopefully, you can practice in yourself so that you help yourself to practice, not like this only. Okay? Because I give you the vocabulary already. Okay.
Yeah.
So, may I ask you a question, Faisal? Have you learned something today?
Yeah, a
May
lot of things.
Huh?
Yeah, a lot of things like sentence building and yeah, the numbers we have reviewed, and the last from the last lesson we have learned and we have reviewed.
So,
And I
you
have
love our lesson today?
Yeah, opo. Gusto
Okay.
ko leksyon leksyon na yon.
Gusto ko ng leksyon ngayon or gusto ko ng aralin ngayon. I like the lesson today. I like the lesson. Gusto ko ng aralin. Aralin is lesson. Or you can also say leksyon. Same.
Leksyon.
Because leksyon is the Spanish also.
Yeah, that's why I use that word, leksyon.
But we use also that one. But in the formal Tagalog, we use aralin.
Yeah.
Lesson. Aralin is lesson. So nagustuhan mo ang lesson natin ngayon, ang aralin?
Opo.
So you know how to make a simple sentence. By giving you the rule, you can make your own. On the next time, I will give you a homework on how to construct the sentence. Okay, that is for now. Hope you are happy today and you hope you learned something.
Opo. I've learned a lot of things. Yeah.
You learned a lot. So maybe in the fifth lesson, I think fifth or sixth lesson that we are going to have, you can make now your own sentence. A little bit more sentence with the direction, with the verb, and I will go. And then maybe on the 8 lessons, I will give the rule of the present, past, futures of the verb, because this is important. Past, present, imperative, the past, present, and future and imperative. This is a kind of verb because that not only verb that I can give you, but how you use in the past and in the future. So before that, that is the mga something 8 lesson after 8 lesson. Because next time we will do the practicing of the sentence and I will give you another rule how to construct a little bit more simple sentence. Okay, that's for the day. Paalam, Faisal.
Paalam, ingat. Hanggang sa muli.
What?
Hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli. Okay, hanggang sa muli. Happy today.
Ingat.
Ingat. Bye-bye. Paalam. Hanggang sa muli.
Hanggang sa muli.